And I'm back. You can thank the Russians. Dota 2's down, so I'm not wasting my life playing Dota 2. Anyway, somebody in Slack here, Atlastar, gave me this nice little card rotation demo. It's still built in GMS 1.4, but it doesn't rely so much on a D3D method. So we're gonna give this a shot and see if it works. Yeah, so I guess without further ado, let's begin. We're gonna create a new one of these. Whew, boy. Bring that over there. Let's bring that over there. Let's close that one. Bring that over there. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so I'm a little worried about this create event because it does have this D3D call. I'm gonna just straight up ignore that and just do a copy. We're gonna discard all this for now, just for now, and do that. Okay, close the create event. Step event. These are just we're checking bools. That's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Okay. Yeah, that all looks like it checks out. Great. Global left, global right. I mean, I guess in the interest of, so that I don't make any mistakes, we're just going to copy, this is for global left. So I'm going to add a mouse, global left pressed. Again, we're not going to end up using this in the long run, but we need it for testing purposes. Mouse, global right pressed. Go back here. We're gonna close that. Oh, well, shit, I don't know if anybody's watching really. Okay, good. Nobody's watching yet, but we're just gonna stick that right there. I'm gonna flip to it here and there. Are we already ready for draw? All right, we're ready for the big show here. So we've got our draw code. We're gonna go in here, go in the draw. Okay, now the sprite, let's assign header cars. Let's assign this sprite here. And it looks like it's totally width height agnostic, like, or, you know, I don't have anything manually punched in. So we've got these local variables, padding, left, right, left D? Maybe like left side, right side, bottom side, top side. I think they're origins. Well, there's this. Okay, well, whatever, anyways. Draw set color, see white, draw primitive, begin texture. Okay, we're in good shape because these are all orange. Yeah, these are all orange, so they should, theoretically, they should all work. So what I'm gonna do just go in our bank here, and we're just gonna throw in this. Oh God, turn the stupid grid off. We're gonna turn that on right there, throw that on right there, and we're just gonna hit play just to see if things compile and run. Oh fuck. Okay, yeah. Sprite 1 not set before reading. In the draw code, in the draw event, draw primitive begin texture, line 13. Draw line 13. Draw primitive. Oh right, Sprite 1. Yeah. That's. Does this have to be? Yeah, it's a sprite. Hold on, sprite get texture. Let's take a look at this really quick. Sprite subindex. The index of the sprite to use PR triangles returns a special pointer for the sprite texture page. This value can be used in other draw functions. Okay, well, I mean, I could specify the sprite that we're using, but what if I just do sprite index? This variable returns the index of the current sprite for the instance, or -1 if the instance has no sprite associated with it. You can change it to give the instance a different sprite. Right, okay. I think I want to keep, yeah, I think this is what I want, because this thing might be plugging in different sprites, depending, so, yeah, let's run this, see if this works. Say. Well, my right-click event doesn't work, but which is kind of weird. Oh, because I didn't put any code in there. Okay. Well, we're in good shape. We're in really good shape here. So let's just copy that and minimize. Alright, let's run this again. So it showed up higher than what I was expecting it to, and I think I was warned about that. Yeah, okay, awesome. So that's exactly what I had in mind. Alright, now I want to, let's go to the room really quick and just, so I guess I need to move it down a bit, which is a little awkward for staging purposes, but, oh well. Okay, so I want to make it go faster. PR triangle strip. So wait, y rotation plus equals 90 divided by room speed if y. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is what determines my speed. So I'm gonna increase this to 120 just to see what happens. Although, no, that can't be right. No, that's not. Divide by. So right now room speed's 60, I think. Hold on a second. Okay. Okay, nobody cares right now. smaller denominator, the number's gonna be bigger. Boy, that's pretty close. Let's do 20, 20. Yep, that's certainly faster. Cool. Okay. Word. All right. So I can close GM. I can close this down. I'm just gonna close that. Cool. Yep. Totally works. Alright, so I should probably write down what I need to do. Objective is create a header text system that transitions at room start. This means a bunch of things. So the timer triggers unfolding character. Character unfolds.
I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach and maybe get a coffee after.
Set in creation code.
That's right.
Character unfolds. After unfold, moves slightly up and slightly left. Drop shadow. Oh wait. Let me think about what I'm gonna do. Alright, character unfolds, character draws a drop shadow underneath. After unfold, character moves slightly up and slightly left to reveal drop shadow. And I think I can do this without resorting to a separate object or instance for the drop shadow. That's what I hope. Like, I think I can do the drop shadow purely in code. Oh man! All right, we're gonna give this a shot. So the first thing I need to do though is edit my sprites. Oh, and you know what? Oh, hey pig. Hey pig. Got a working, rotating thingy, and now it's slash banner text system. Alright, we're gonna put you on the main and resize my feeble workspace. Oh, no, god damn it. Windows 10, there we go. You can go over here. Alright, so let's edit this image, and we're going to clear out all this, we're going to clear out the drop shadow that's baked in, because we're going to do our drop shadow in code, sort of. So let's just delete that, delete that, delete that. Okay, now we just got a raw B. I guess save should reflect that, yeah. This also means that we won't need, we can delete this sprite straight up. Okay. Our draw event's gonna look pretty crazy, I think, by the time we're done. But I'm hoping that won't matter. So right now, here, I'll show you. Let's run it one more time so that Pig can get a chance to look at it. Alright, so pay attention up here. So the idea would be like B, A, N, K. I mean, a little bit faster than. I mean, that speed's fine. But yeah, so. Okay. Alright, so our sprite's all done. I don't need to look at scripts right now. That's for sprites, okay. Okay, well, so Y rotation, we still need right or left. So which, if not rotate Y left, rotate Y right equals true. And in the step, if rotate Y right, okay, so we don't want the rotate Y left to execute ever, really, because I don't really want the, yeah, I don't really need it. However, we could comment it out just in case I change my mind later on and decide that I want it to fold out for out transition. I doubt I will, but okay. So, oh, you know what though? Y rot equals 90. Okay, so we need, yeah, we need our Y rot to start out at 90 actually. So let's do that. Y rotation starts out at 90. Okay, and we don't need it to trigger on these anymore. Let me think about this for a second. I'm gonna change this event to alarm 0. God help me, I'm using an alarm again. Alarm 0, trigger, rotate. Actually, I think unfold. Trigger, unfold. It's a little bit more descriptive, probably. And we're not gonna really check. Shit, my phone. Hold on a second. Yeah, what's up? Uh-huh. Kind of in the middle of something. Yeah, sorry sis. Can we do it? Well, can we do it like later today, towards the evening-ish, sort of, or something? I don't know. Or like... Oh, okay. No, I haven't seen it. I heard it's pretty good. Let me check in with Amanda later. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that sounds fine. Oh, what day? Oh, shit. Alright, well, let me check in with Amanda. Alright. Cool. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Alright, cool, sounds good. Goodbye. Sorry about that. Okay, empty. Sure. Yep, alright, so... Alarm 0 triggers. And now in our create event we need... well, let's just do... Let's one thing at a time. So we'll say my trigger equals... Gosh, let's do 20. And then I had problems with the alarm not working when it's in the create event. I think. So let's add an event. Let's add room start. Start alarm. Start the alarm. Alarm. Set 0 my trigger. Okay, let's give that a go. I don't think I even need to change anything in the room in the creation code. Boom, look at that, beautiful. It just fucking, okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Alright, so now oh man, this is... Alright, now we have a new problem. Hold on a second. Well, shit. Let me look at a different piece of code somewhere in here that I have. One of my objects draws itself twice, and I'm pretty sure it's one of the characters. Just take a look here. Draw shadow. So if my card is hot, blah blah blah, draw sprite extended, Ah, yes. And then draw self at the bottom. So this right here is my drop shadow. Drop shadow. Draw a drop shadow. Draw self on top of drop shadow. Okay, it's just you and me, pig. Alright, so now that we're doing that, okay, so the whole point of this is I need this. Maybe not right now, but I'll need it soon, I think. So we're just gonna keep that. We're gonna keep that there. There's a problem with this. So with this drop shadow effect, it pops instantly. But we kind of want a drop shadow that sort of shows a little gradually. But I think I got it. All right, so thanks, past me. Let's go back to our header car. Okay, well, this is going to be tricky. I don't want it to start drawing the drop shadow right away. I want it to draw it after Y rotation reaches its zenith, which is here. So we need a new bool, I think. We're going to call this bool draw drop shadow, which starts out at false. And then in the step, when we reach the peak, we're going to say drop shadow. You know what, I kind of hate the word draw. I hate that variable name. That's not a good variable name. Let's delete it and say is drop shadow. I like my bools to have the word is in front of them. So that I know just by reading the variable name that it's Boolean. So is drop shadow equals false. And then over here, is drop shadow equals true. Alright, so now we have that condition done. Down here we're going to say draw self. That's normally implicit at the end of every draw event, but now we're explicitly saying, hey, draw self. And then we're going to say if drop shadow, no, is drop shadow. Thank you. I'm going to make another var here. Var, oops, not car. Var, underscore, we'll call it x drop, and underscore y drop. We've got our two vars. Right now, underscore x drop. Well, shit. Would this get reset every... Well, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. X drop equals 0. And y, whoops, underscore y drop equals 0. You know what? I don't think these can be local variables because this runs every cycle, and I don't want these to get reset to 0 on every cycle. So never mind that. Let's go back to create. We're gonna make something called x drop, which equals 0, and y drop, which equals 0. Okay, now. Alright, now in the draw, if, well, blah, this is our drop shadow, but it's going to be x minus x drop, which is going to start out at 0, and y plus y drop, which is going to start at 0. Oh, shit. But I don't want the drop shadow. Well. No, yeah, that could look fine. That could look fine. I initially pictured the white popping up instead of the drop shadow popping down. But, you know, drop shadow popping down could look fine. So, now we're going to say x drop plus equals 0.25. Okay, hold on. Well, actually, first, if x drop is less than or equal to, we'll say 3. Yeah, we'll do that. X drop plus equals 0.25, and then if y drop is less than or equal to 3. Oh shit! No. Yeah, no, that's right. Okay. Y drop plus equals 0.25. We're gonna have some subpixel movement here, so I don't know what that's going to look like, but I want it to be slow and gradual, so I don't know, we'll see. I don't even know if this is going to work, but we're going to find out. Oh, that's so close! Okay, so maybe I don't even need the draw self code in there, because it looks like it's drawn itself twice. So let's just try this. I thought I'd need it. Okay, so it's based off the origin, which that's kind of weird. Let's try this. LD TD. I don't know, guys. This might work, this might not work, this might be totally fucking crazy. Okay, that's a lot more accurate, but it's... okay, let's put this code before that.
So when did you know she was a walker? October 21st, 1975. Jesus Christ, you know the fucking day? Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool, but it's the wrong direction. So let's do plus. Yeah. Can't. I mean, yeah, it's there. I can't really see it. Maybe let's make it a bit bigger. This might be too much, but I think 5 is probably too much, but no, 5's perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, well, man, that wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. I'm gonna pump up the opacity on this a little bit. Let's do 65%. Yeah. Okay. Fucking rad. So let me think about this for a second. Man, that that's awesome. I didn't. One nagging issue about this is that staging is going to be hard. Because if you'll notice, if I were to move this right here, I'm pretty goddamn sure it's going to be off. Yeah. It looks like... Hey, Atlas Star, are you around? I mean, yeah, maybe that might actually be the quickest solution. Is maybe I just fuck around with the origin of the sprite. So right now, if we hit play, the origin is at the top left of the sprite, which is putting it too far left. That's not good. Oh shit, I can go negative. So if I do this, does that push? That should push it more to the right. But that also pushed my... wow, that really pushed the shadow out. In fact, that... Go back over here. I gotta be honest, I don't think that really pushed the B at all. I don't think the B got pushed, just the drop shadow. Alright, Pig's got a question. If this game file will be deleted, what would you do? Not sure what you're asking. I do keep a Windows file history backup drive, if that's what you're getting at. Okay, so let's not. So clearly the code pretty much dictates, like this, right? Okay, sprite width, sprite height, blah blah blah. All right. No, that isn't it. I mean, well, it's because all this draw vertex is based. Okay. Maybe I just deal with it and move on. I got a backup. It's plugged in now, right? Yep. Okay. Okay. Just too legal. Whatever. Yeah. So cool. Let's. It'd be nice if... Oh, shit. Oh, I don't need this global left push anymore. We can straight up delete that in a minute. Let me think for a second here. Let's, okay, so the next objective is I don't want to have to create 26, potentially 26 different objects, one for each character. I will have to create 26 different sprites because this is sprite based. But what we could do is have this object change its sprite based off of its code letter, which you determine in the creation code. So let's create, well, let's go to Photoshop actually, and we're going to copy this A. Control C, new, 3850. Control V. Okay. File, export, save for web. Cool. We're gonna call this A underscore 38x50. You know, this is gonna be kind of weird. Well, whatever. I mean, is what it is. Okay, so now it's time to. We're gonna go to workspace 2 and duplicate this sprite, but we're gonna import a new image. Yeah, okay, and then we're gonna call it sprite A. What's 38 by 50? Okay, let's get all of them while we're doing this. You know, kind of. C, file, new, export, save for web, 38 by 50. You know, I wonder if I fucked up the letter B. That's very plausible. This would be, yeah, it's slightly larger because it has a drop shadow in it. Yeah. Okay. Well. Oh well. 38x50. Here's hoping the rest of the characters are also 38 by 50 because that will make things a lot easier for spacing reasons. Let's duplicate that, and I'm going to import the letter N. Call it SPRN. Yeah, okay, SPRN. Alright. And now we're gonna, well, let's go back over here. We don't need this anymore. Okay, copy that, file, new, yep. It doesn't have to be contiguous, actually, let's just do that. Yep, 38 by 50. This up, import the letter K, give it that name K, let's change the dimensions here. So we're gonna keep it top left bias, but change the width to 38 and the height to 50. And apply. Boom, okay. And then 38 is 50. Cool. Cool. Alright. So now we have the letters B, A, and K. Bank. Alright, so we got our 4 characters. So what this means is we can now add a new variable called my car, which by default will just say equals B. And then at room start, wondering if we do a switch case here. Actually we might not need to do. Alright, let's see here. So first let's look at asset get index. Asset get index returns real. You can use this function to get the unique identifying index for a game asset from its name. If the asset is not found, the function will return a value of -1. Otherwise, it will return the unique index ID for the asset being checked. This ID can then be used in other functions as you would any other index value, like sprite index or path index, for example. Please note that this function will be used. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna comment that out for now, but we'll come back to that. So first things first, we need a var my sprite. I don't like putting a capital in there. So var my sprite equals SPR underscore plus my car. Is it my car? Yeah, my car. Oops. Room start. There we go. Var equals SPR underscore plus underscore 38x50. So instance created var object object enemy plus string. Okay, this has a check in it to make sure it's real, but my code will be rock solid. Shouldn't have to worry about that. Checks, we don't need no checks. So now let's do sprites with sprite add, sprite assign. What's sprite assign? This function takes 2 previously created or included sprite indexes and copies the image from one to another. No, that's definitely not what I want. No, no, it's not really a draw code. Sprite set, set alpha. No. Font add. No, no. Layer sprite. No, 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 no. Okay. I wonder if I kind of think sprite index is read only. I want it. Is it read only? This variable returns. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to go to the restroom. Bye, I'm going. Oh, okay. Later. I'm actually probably going to get going pretty soon here, too. But, yeah, the way I read this, changing the sprite does not change the index of the currently visible frame. So if you change the sprite on frame number 3, the new sprite will be drawn with that frame visible, assuming for functions relating to sprites. Oh, no! This guy totally is changing the sprite. Okay, okay, that's fine by me. So sprite index equals asset get index my sprite. Cool. All right. So, man, I really need to use the restroom. Crap. All right. We'll pick this up later. I gotta go to the bathroom.